Cameraman, just wow, wow. What's your reaction, cameraman?
कमाल
कमाल है, कमाल है. Of course it's कमाल. एक ही मैसेज आता है कि भाई सिल्वर आपने लाया हैवी में, कुछ मैंने नहीं लाया. Here we go. We got something specially for men, okay? Let me just open these up for you, okay? Just to show you what kind of fabric, so I don't waste your journey. I never waste anybody's journey. I make sure your journey is more better for you and advantage for you, okay? Have a look at this. Beautiful. Cameraman. What is this? What reaction are you gonna get? Just wow and elegant reaction. Amazing. Of course it's amazing. Yeah, that is. Another. Cameraman, one more question I want to ask you, okay? What's the second option you're going to give for that mehndi color?
Yellow.
Of course, yellow. Yellow or orange or hot pink is the third one for me, okay? I don't know if for you it's first or second, but for me it's third. First is orange, second is yellow, and third is?
Hot pink.
Hot pink, of course. And cameraman, we're not finished here. What are they going to do? From where? Where?
Non-textile only.
Of course, non-textile.